Welcome to Eslak Empire. I'm about to spice my gizzard and wele for my contemporary stew, aka palava sauce. Anticipate the taste too, Charlie. Eboso and kasa. Contact me for yours, so now you are missing. These are natural spices, organic spices. Okay, so depending on how you like it, okay. Me no me pese me bibia ye kama me pese. And nam no be nyana baby, so Charlie, I add a lot. I don't use Maggi cube or anything. I just put this, and then it's optional. You can add powdered pepper to it. Okay. Then you add your salt to taste. Hey, Charlie. Okay, so after spicing, I left it for like 10 to 15 minutes. So now it just does here. You can see it has started boiling. Oh my god. My kitchen is smelling so good. Yeah. Ba baby, ba baby, ba baby, ba baby. You're all invited, Charlie. When the contour stew is done, we are gonna see the result. Okay, so let me leave it to steam slowly. So the fire, I've really reduced it. I've not really reduced it, but moderate heat. So the baby, almost spices no. A bit rare baby na. Ama na ye de. Okay. Wow. Guys, I didn't add water to it too. But you see the stock I'm getting. It's because there was still ice on the gizzard. So that is the secret. Okay. My ice okay. You spice it up, leave it for some time, put it on fire, give it a low heat. The ice will melt, and then you are gonna get a lot of stock to prepare some jollof beef. What do I say? Or you can use it for your stew. So this is it. I didn't add any water. Now so over my kitchen now who said they are high hammer. Erade Ubiampo can't show yourself our plates. Aha, I shaman kasa. Okay, so now you can decide to increase. So now the gizzard is ready. This looks so yummy. So calling. so tempting. Ready. So you see now the water you saw. When you increase the fire after the moderate heat, you now increase the fire a little for the water to reduce, and now it's ready. I have my stock in there ready for action. Thank you so much, dearies, for watching my video, but today I know my video quality was bad. I'm so sorry, but thank you for watching. I should have turned my camera, in a landscape instead of portrait. I really forgot, but God bless you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red inscription, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below to encourage me.